Hey there. So I've been feeling under the weather here lately and been kind of lazy. Not having a whole lot of energy to get up and actually cook myself some solid food. So I went to the cabinet, thought I'd pull out my vanilla flavored milk, my protein powder, and make a shake out of it. And then I saw this, which I'm like, well, I need some more vitamin C too to get better. This is the Emergency 1000 milligram, the super orange flavor. These are the emergency packets. So I saw both of these and I thought, well, what if I throw them together? I throw a lot of things together and they normally don't turn out very well. But this one turned out very well. Believe it or not, it actually tastes a whole lot like sherbet ice cream. I don't know, I'm kind of excited because even when I'm not sick, I can still make this and have a sugar-free, dessert, an orange sherbet dessert. So I make mine with water. I don't really drink milk, but if you make it with milk, I'm sure it'll probably taste a lot better. It'll probably actually taste more like the real thing, more like the sherbet ice cream. If so, if it turns out good, please let everybody know in the comments below. Also, if you decide to freeze it and make like an actual sherbet ice cream out of it, or if you add more ice and decide to blend it and it turns out really well, just let us know so we can all experiment with it. But anyways, so I thought I'd show you what I do. So take a shaker bottle. I filled about 2/3 of the way full. This is a 20-ounce shaker bottle. So put about 2/3 of whatever liquid, water, milk, almond milk, soy milk, whatever you decide to use. And I put 2 scoops of my vanilla whey protein powder in there. And then grab 2 packets of the super orange. Dump that in there. Then I'll throw ice cubes on top of that. I like to put the ice cubes on top of the milk or on top of the protein powder, so that way when I shake it up, the protein powder doesn't get caked in the opening. It serves as kind of a buffer in between there. Some shaker bottles have that little screen buffer thing already in there, so you probably don't need to worry about that. But just go ahead and shake it up. All right, so one word of caution: if you have this full of liquid and you open this up quickly after you shake it, you're gonna send liquid flying across your kitchen or wherever you're at. It's happened to me a couple of times. So just go ahead and hold your hand over it and open it gently. So that way, I don't know if you heard it there or not, but the carbonation from the bubblies in this stuff pressurizes it. So when you open it, it's gonna shoot a little bit if you're not careful. So yeah, it tastes a whole lot like orange sherbet. It's the bubbly or the effervescent, the carbonation, whatever they put in this, I think is what's giving it that that bite. When you eat orange sherbet, it has the orange flavor, but it has that I don't know the right word for it, but a little bit of a twang to it, and that's what this does. And again, this is the super orange flavor, not the orange flavor. So anyways, give that a shot. If you change the recipe up and it works out well, please let us know and enjoy.